This is all their bulk items. You can get rice. Golden brown sugar. My husband's getting some chocolate. Did you find something you like?
Yeah, what I always get. I used to get in New Mexico the double dip peanuts.
Double dip.
Yeah. I was gonna get the clusters, but they're more expensive. So I just got $5.99.
They have, you can get rolled oats, and it's $1.69 a pound. This is steel cut oats, and they even have quick oats. Here they have a bunch of teas. This is a creamer. What's this? Coconut milk powder, organic coconut sugar, cacao. Huh. So 1 teaspoon is 45 calories. 1 tablespoon. I wonder how this tastes. I'm intrigued. This is all the coffees. Fresh coffee. They have vanilla hazelnut. They have a bunch of. It smells great. I'm not a coffee drinker, but they have a lot of options here. A lot of coffee beans. Here they have the medjool dates, but they're $8.49 here. I can get them at Aldi's for $5.59 or something like that. So it's a little higher here in Sprouts. Oh, but they have these you can get for $4.99. The pitted right there. That's not bad. Sprouts have their own vegan protein powder. This is salted caramel. I love salted caramel. Let's see what's in here. This is pea isolate, flax seeds, stevia, monk fruit. I don't know. This may be good. I may have to try it. I'm gonna get a sample of this and see if I like it. Salted caramel. They also have the matcha one. And they have the chocolate. I may get a couple of these and see how I like it. This is a cashew butter milk chocolate. This is not vegan though. This is milk chocolate. Let's see. Let me see what's in it. Yeah, it has milk in it. Oh, this would have been perfect, but I'm not on dairy.
And this is zesty cheese, and this is sea salt.
So this is cheese?
This is cheese, zesty cheese, and this is sea salt.
And these are vegan?
Yes, they're all vegan.
I'll try this one.
They're vegan, very low fat. They come from farms in Canada.
They have organic milk chocolate coated brown rice cakes. I wish they could make this dairy free, but rice cakes have come a long way. I really like these brown rice cakes, lightly salted. These are really good. This is chickpea pasta, kale, white beans and quinoa. They have every type of pasta. I tried this and I didn't love it. Maybe I could have cooked it too long, but I didn't love it. Hello everyone, welcome. I'm about to head to the gym and I'm about to prepare a protein shake. It's a little later than usual. I usually go in the morning, it's afternoon. So my fasting is done and I wanna put a protein shake in me before I head out. So I thought I'd come and do a taste test. When I went to Sprouts, you'll see on this video, I did a little Sprouts haul showing you a bunch of stuff that I saw. I got a couple of things. But I have this Sprouts vegan protein that I'm gonna give a try. It's 130 calories, 3 grams of fat, and 20 grams of protein. It's with the pea protein isolate, which I don't usually love. It's not my favorite, so hopefully this one tastes good. This one is salted caramel, that's why I got it. That's my favorite. So I thought I will share what I think about this. So for my protein shakes, I usually use a little bit of water and I still put some almond milk. I don't like just water. I'll just take the extra calories. So I'm gonna open this. Let's see. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like salted caramel. I'm gonna pour that in. I'm just gonna test it just with the milk and the water. I'm not gonna put any fruit or anything in here, just so we can get a true sense of how it tastes. Let's see. It does taste like salted caramel. It does have a little bit of an aftertaste though. Let's see, what kind of sugar is in here? It's monk fruit and stevia. That's probably what I'm tasting is the stevia. I don't love stevia, but this is not bad. I do taste the salted caramel. Yeah, I like this. I wish it didn't have that aftertaste. The one I use, from Love Sweat Fitness, it doesn't have the aftertaste, but she has stevia in hers too, which I don't understand. She really did make a good one. But no, this is still good if you want something a little different, because her brand doesn't have like a salted caramel. So I'm definitely gonna drink this. And it could just be that I don't like pea protein. That could be what it is. But it definitely is, if you like salted caramel, give this a try. At Sprouts, it's the vegan protein. Well, I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.